So what's going on, people? Welcome back to my videos, and from this video we are starting bash scripting or the shell scripting, you can say. Okay, let's start the video. So what do you know about bash scripting? What is bash scripting? So bash is basically okay, so bash is basically stands for born again shell, right? Born again shell. It is like a command line shell and script languages. In the last videos and all, I told you how to use ls command, cd command, all this, right? But what if you what if you use those command and write your own automation code? What if you use those all those commands and write only one code? That will automate everything. So that is where bash comes in. So I mean, ls command, cd command, all are bashes, so all are written in bash. Okay, so basically if you need to run anything, we need to run file.sh. If you need to run ls command also, you need to run file ls file dot sh. So that is basically bash. So it is default shell on most Unix operating system, including Linux and Mac OS. Okay, the first thing is that I can say is that don't think that Linux is same than Mac, because Mac is something like Unix operating system, but Linux is same as Mac, but they did not copy the same code, but Linux is written from scratch. Okay, that is the difference between Linux and Mac. But in Linux, we basically by default we actually use bash script, bash shell. So in what Mac OS, we basically use what Z shell or fish shell, something like that. Okay, so bash provides a powerful and flexible way to interact with your computer through the command line. Yeah, basically when you say ls cd, so it is just interacting with your computer, right? So it is basically where you use command line to interact with your computer, where command line and then kernel comes in, and then what system comes in, where kernel will connect between you and the system. So if you need any modification, that is where the kernel comes in. Okay, so now let's see what is bash scripting. So bash scripting is nothing but bash scripting allows you to automate repetitive task and perform a complex operation in command line environment. Okay, as I was saying before, using this ls command, cd command, and all these commands, awk, grep command. What if you write a script? What if you write if you are a Python developer, you know what is the meaning of script. So you write a program which will automatically do something. That is how bash scripting is. So you take a bash commands and you write a script. That is what bash scripting. So basically you take all those commands and write a program to automate do something like that. So let's say you might be thinking how to take these commands and write this what bash scripting. So basically in programming language you might come across variables and for loop, if loop, and while loop. So in the bash scripting also you have this while loop, for loop, then conditional operator. Many things are the same like programming language. How the programming language is there, in bash script also the same programming language, but the syntax is totally different, but the meaning is totally same. So if loop means if only, but the syntax is totally different than any other programming language. So it is essential for the system administrator, developers, and anyone who work in Unix system. Basically when you're doing automation, like when you, if you are saying that every day I need to run some backup, so I don't need to write a script, I need to do automation that automatically back up my system at this particular time. So that is where you can use bash scripting. You can use cron tab, and I'll do a video on cron tab. Okay, so learning bash script can boost your productivity and efficiency, because see, where there's your automation, there is some efficiency, and there is some time management. There is every work will go on like within no time. So that is where the bash script comes in, and that is where bash script helps us to what automate our things. So that is why we use bash scripting to automation. So let's jump into the what basic of how to write bash scripting. Okay, let's see you in the next video. Bye.